Welcome to the top best. The best waterproof patches is probably one of the most versatile and practical solutions for anyone who loves to repair, customize, or reinforce their fabric items. From outdoor gear to everyday clothing, these patches offer a quick and effective way to address tears, holes, or simply add a unique design element. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of waterproof fabric patches, exploring their various types, applications, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Better Boat Clear Repair Tape. Is your awning, canvas, or tent damaged? This heavy-duty clear repair tape is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly fix tears and rips in various materials. This tape acts as a waterproof patch, effectively resisting the elements. It's ideal for outdoor fabrics, ensuring a watertight seal in various conditions. The tape is incredibly durable yet flexible, allowing for easy application and repair. It's a great addition to any emergency kit for quick fixes. This clear tape seamlessly blends into the material it's applied to, making it suitable for a wide range of items. It adheres to various surfaces, providing a discreet repair. Better Boat is a family-owned American business dedicated to providing premium quality products. They stand behind their products, ensuring customer satisfaction with every purchase. What we like? This clear repair tape is heavy-duty, making it perfect for various outdoor gear. It's waterproof and weather-resistant, ensuring a long-lasting fix. If you have a boat cover, tent, or awning that needs a reliable, discreet repair, consider this tape. It's designed to blend seamlessly while providing superior protection. What people say. Worked well to repair rips in awning, very sticky. Thick, rugged, and quite sticky. It sealed the rips in my canvas lawn chair with ease and tenacity. Just what I hoped for. Very high quality. Adheres well to outdoor furniture covers. Number 4. WILLBOND Nylon Repair Patches. Introducing these self-adhesive nylon patches from WILLBOND. You can cut them into fun shapes. It's a practical and creative way to fix your clothes. These patches are made of high-quality nylon. They are designed to be durable and long-lasting. You can rely on them for effective repairs. No sewing or ironing needed. These patches are self-adhesive. Simply peel and stick them onto the damaged area for a quick fix. Each patch is about 9.84 by 5.9 inches. You can cut it to fit different sizes and shapes. It's perfect for various DIY projects. Use these patches on many items, like jackets, tents, and bags. They are great for mending and reinforcing your belongings. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. What we like? These patches are perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to customize your repairs with fun shapes. They are self-adhesive, making application quick and easy. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your repairs while ensuring durability, these patches are a great choice. What people say. These patches meet all those qualities, and have a smile on their faces while they do it. I use them to patch a worn spot on my heavy hiking backpack, and that spot gets a lot of wear in normal use. The patch that I put in remains firmly applied after months of use, and is as durable as the original pack material was. I've also used these to repair wear-related tears in clothing, so they've been tested in the laundry with normal heavy-duty settings. They show no signs of wearing out or coming loose. Patches work great and are super easy to apply. Was able to cut and make multiple patches with a single sheet. Number 3. Azobur Nylon Waterproof Iron-On Patches. Introducing the Azobur Nylon Patch, your go-to solution for fabric repair. This patch is designed to fix tears and holes on various items, ensuring they stay protected. Made from high-quality nylon, this patch is scratch-resistant and skin-friendly. It features a waterproof layer, preventing water damage to your belongings. This iron-on patch is perfect for tents, clothing, backpacks, and more. It works well on uneven surfaces, providing excellent support for your repairs. Simply cut the patch to your desired shape, clean the surface, and apply it. Iron it for a short time, and let it sit for 24 hours for the best results. The patch uses a tenacious adhesive, ensuring a durable repair that lasts. This environmentally friendly patch is odorless and designed for long-term use. With the Azobur Nylon Patch, you can easily extend the life of your favorite items. It's a simple, effective way to repair and protect your gear. What we like. This product features an iron-on application, providing a secure and lasting bond. It's waterproof, protecting your items from the elements. If you prefer a more permanent fix for items like tents or clothing, and don't mind the extra step of ironing, this is the one for you. What people say. Waterproof patches for fabric. I used these patches to repair a rip in my rain jacket and they worked perfectly. Number 2. Nylon repair patches for clothing and down jackets. Are you tired of small tears ruining your favorite jackets? These nylon repair patches are the perfect solution. They are designed to quickly and easily fix rips and holes. Each pack comes with 15 pieces of nylon repair patches. That's plenty to handle multiple repairs. You'll have everything you need to fix your clothes. Made from durable nylon, these patches are built to last. They are wear-resistant and safe to use. This ensures a long-lasting repair. These patches are self-adhesive, so no sewing or ironing is needed. Simply peel and stick for instant repairs. It's incredibly convenient and easy to operate. Each patch measures 20 by 10 centimeters, and can be cut to fit any shape. They are perfect for repairing clothes, bags, and other DIY projects. You can even get creative with them. These patches can be used to mend or reinforce your clothes, bags, or other DIY projects. They're also great for craft projects. The possibilities are endless with these patches. What we like. These patches are incredibly easy to use with their self-adhesive design, saving you time and effort. You get a generous quantity, ensuring you have enough for multiple repairs. If you need a quick and easy solution for repairing clothing or bags, this is the perfect option. What people say. These patches work great. I cut the sizes I needed and they were easy to apply under worn spots in the mesh. The variety of colors makes them usable on so many things. My wife fixed 2 winter jackets so far using these patches. There is a large enough selection of colors to make good matches. The material is very sticky and it has held up so far. She used the material on the inside and outside of the fabric shell of winter jackets to repair holes. Bought to repair rip in coat. Seems to stick nicely. Haven't had it come loose yet even in rain. Number 1. WILLBOND Nylon Repair Patches. Tired of torn clothes? These self-adhesive patches are here to help. They provide a quick and easy solution for repairing rips and tears. Get creative. Cut these nylon patches into fun shapes like hearts or stars. It's a practical way to cover holes and add a personal touch to your clothes. Made from durable nylon, these patches are built to last. They're designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring your repairs stay strong. Forget about needles and irons. These patches are self-adhesive, making application a breeze. Simply peel and stick for instant repairs. With a generous size, you can customize the patches to fit any repair. Whether it's a jacket, tent, or bag, it has you covered. Use it on a variety of items, from down jackets to umbrellas. It's perfect for mending or reinforcing your favorite gear. What we like. This product offers a long roll of material, giving you flexibility in size and shape for your repairs. It's self-adhesive, making it easy to apply to a variety of fabrics. If you need a versatile and convenient solution for repairing items like down jackets or tents, this is a great choice. What people say. The repair was done about 3 weeks ago and I have worn the pants for everyday snow walking since. The patch is adhering well and look okay. Used it on my back brace that was falling apart. Has been a month of wearing it every day and went through the wash. Holding up great. I just simply cut the patch to the size I needed for my jacket and it pressed it on. The adhesive stuck to my jacket quite well, but as an extra measure I used a hair dryer and heated the patch adhesive so it may stick a little better. The patch looks so great and it matches my jacket perfectly. You cannot even tell it is there. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.